Hello, this is Gene. We got a couple of unboxings today. Haven't been on the channel a long time, but with all this stuff going on with the coronavirus, I figured we'd talk about a few things. We picked up this from Barnes & Nobles. This is the Criterion collection for Bruce Lee. It's Blu-ray. And the other one will be the Best Buy exclusive steelbook of Spartacus. So let's go ahead and open up Bruce Lee. Called his greatest hits. It didn't only have but a few movies. I mean, he was an actor when he was young before he came to the United States. Now, as a lot of people know, that Bruce was actually an American citizen. He was born here, and then he went back to China, and then later on he came back to basically get his fortune, whatever. Okay, this is the way it looks right here. It's very... Alright, we'll open it up. Same type of artist rendition in it on both sides. Let's open it up. So there's Kyle with me. Alright. This is how it opens. Several, looks like 8 Blu-rays or 7 Blu-rays there. And we also get this, a little booklet. This is what Criterion does. It's nothing really new, but it's nice to see that there's a little bit of write-up on each of the movies. All these movies became box office champions when they came out in his home country. Oh, there's also a little iconic video or picture with Kareem, and of course, you know, this was also iconic as well. So you have that. Again, this is not that unusual for Criterion. They usually put a little book in there. Dude was in good shape. Unfortunately, died way too early. There are 7 Blu-rays. It starts with the first movies. The Big Boss Man. Like this. They're all basically the same. And then after that's Fist of Fury, The Way of the Dragon. That's the one that's got Chuck Norris in it. The Enter the Dragon, which is number 4 on here. And Game of Death. And there's a supplemental. There are actually 2. There are 2 supplemental discs, which is interesting to see. Now, I think years ago when I first got Enter the Dragon on Blu-ray, I talk about it, but this is right here. So this is the one that was, they were like $35 new. I don't think that it's going to be any different picture-wise, but I didn't have the other ones on Blu-ray, so I decided to get those. This is not feeling very good with me. We're sitting on the floor because we don't have anything really to hold our camera. And I'm an old man and my back is just killing me. But anyway, looks pretty nice. I definitely got it for half price. They want like $125 for this new, which is crazy. There's only 5 movies in it, so and it's only group Blu-ray. And I imagine at some point they're going to remaster it in 4K, and I'm sure I'll get that when that comes out as well. But I got it for half price, so that was good. See if I can put this back in here before I break my back. This is really hurting. So anyway, this is Spartacus. This is a Best Buy exclusive. Let's go and open this up as well. This has been getting a lot of plaudits because of its restoration of it. I have this movie on actual HD DVD. I never put it on Blu-ray and I haven't bought anything else. We'll take this off. And of course this comes with a digital code, and maybe I will give that to somebody. Maybe. This is how it looks in the front. And this is the back. Pretty nice. There's a spine. Open it up. There is a digital code, of course. This is how it looks. And there is a Blu-ray, and there's also the 4K restored. Good Lord, this hurts. This is what the 4K looks like. And this is the Blu-ray. The Blu-ray was also considered one of the best Blu-rays when it came out. So if you have the Blu-ray, if you want to buy the 4K, then you could sell your Blu-ray and then sell this too, and you would be able to finance this because it's $20, which for a steelbook, you can't really beat that. I am Spartacus. Spartacus. I can't even say the word. Anyway, that's all I have. Let me know down below what you think is the better movie. Obviously, there's other movies for Bruce Lee, but I think that Enter the Dragon can be considered a masterpiece for the genre. But Spartacus is obviously the better movie overall when you look at all the actors and stuff that was in the movie. Okay, thank you for watching. You guys have a good day, and we'll talk to you later. Just subscribe and share this, and hopefully we'll do some more of this in the future to get me all this boredom that I'm having during this virus. You guys have a good day, and me and Kyle will see you later. Bye, 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 bye.